Well, in recent years AI has turned our lives upside down. Before a moment passed, in addition to OpenAI's GPT chat, tools from Google, Apple, Microsoft appeared on the market. Today, practically every technology company has its own AI. At this rate, AI will soon start jumping out of the fridge. Although wait, I think that wasn't necessary. Going back, AI is becoming more and more powerful, more and more clever, and less predictable. With such a pace of development, do we really have control over it? Or not? In this video we will touch on the topic of recent projects and things that show that we don't always keep up with AI. Those who are even a little interested in programming or games have probably already tested the OASIS AI project, or Minecraft AI generated in real time. Yes, this game doesn't have any assets or a graphic engine, and yet it is still possible to play it. Well, let's say, because AI doesn't remember everything. But how does it work? The AI model analyzed hundreds of hours of Minecraft gameplay, and based on the player's input, it guesses what will appear on the screen next. In this way, instead of generating each block separately, the game generates a single image that can be integrated. As you already know, it may not look very accurate, but it is still a game made by AI, without any engine, only based on learning from the image. So we can say that it is terrifying, but not because of the lopsided graphics, but because of the AI's skills. Will it change the gaming market? Maybe, but probably not in the near future and not in this form. AI can be and is helpful in creating games, but on slightly different levels, so all we can do is observe what next will happen. Since we started with the positives, it's time to complain a bit. What is it supposed to be? Yes, what you see on the screen now is an oven, with an AI function. Not just an oven, but also washing machines, refrigerators, generally everything Samsung had at hand. Just as it makes sense for vacuum cleaners not to run over everything on the road, so in the case of the rest we have to ask the question, was it necessary? Is it really worth uploading Wi-Fi module, cameras, half of the computer equipment to refrigerators just so that some clever algorithm knows what is missing? In my opinion, this is a bit too much, especially that screen on a quarter of the refrigerator. AI was created to be used for useful purposes, and not forced just to increase the price of the product. Because you know, AI, this is the whole future. So dear manufacturers of home appliances, calm down. Now, as if nothing had happened, we return to the positives, the so-called breaking news. Remember the good old AI that took up the space of 3 warehouses, was expensive, and on top of that didn't answer questions? Well, those days are probably over, because today I came across a startup that created a device that stores an AI model without access to the internet, needs only 5 watts and is the size of a wallet. On top of that, it is compatible with Raspberry Pi, and no one talks about it. That's how it looks. AI is entering an accessible offline version behind our backs, and this can really come in handy, especially considering the low power consumption, and in my opinion this is where AI should go into accessibility and miniaturization. So I recommend checking out the Founders Inc. material on this topic. So do we still have supervision over AI? Well, I hope so, but as we know, everything can change. That's how IT industry looks like for the last few decades. The topic is worth following, so subscribe my channel for more.